A very good morning, namaskar, pranam to all the members of the bar of the country. Friends, it's a matter of immense pleasure for me to inform you that the 2 days International Lawyers Conference is going to be held in Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi on 23rd and 24th of this month, that is coming Saturday and Sunday. And this is the first time that the Bar Council of India, your own body, is going to organize this international level of the conference. Several international legal luminaries, the bar representatives, the foreign judges, they are coming. And again, I am glad to inform you that your conference is going to be inaugurated by none else but our Honorable Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister of India, and he has assured us to spare his time about 1.5 hours for this conference. He will inaugurate the Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chanchud ji. He will be the chief guest on the occasion. Honorable the Law Minister of the Union, he will also be present on the dais, and along with them, apart from the Attorney General for India, the Solicitor General of India, Mr. Alex Chalk, the Lord Chancellor of UK, he will also be on the dais. The representatives from 23 countries, they are coming to participate in this conference, and this will be a mega event. There will be 10 technical sessions. I am telling you, there will be 10 technical sessions which will be for the benefit of the young lawyers, the legal fraternity, and the law students of the country. The honorable judges of the Supreme Court, they will chair the sessions, technical sessions, and the other judges will be the speakers. They will be co-chair, several chief justices, the judges of the high courts, the renowned lawyers of the country. They will be addressing the technical sessions. Therefore, I am requesting all the lawyers, all the members of the legal fraternity to join this inaugural as well as the technical session. Now, very important topics we are going to discuss in this technical sessions. The first session, that is global law for global issues, international legal solutions. The second topic is access to justice and legal aid in developing nations. The third one is justice delivery system, the impact of social media. The fourth one is alternative dispute resolution in international transactions. The fifth one is artificial intelligence transforming the legal landscape. The sixth one is intellectual property rights in a borderless world. Next, session 7 is the changing landscape of criminal law. Session 8 is equal opportunity in building a sustainable legal profession way forward. Session 9, evolving role of legal professionals and institutions. And the last session, session 10 is future of legal education, the next generation lawyer. So these 10 technical sessions, they will be discussing very important topics for the lawyers and the law students. Now, for your information, again, I'm happy to inform you that your concluding session, that is the valedictory session, that will be headed by none else but our Honorable Union Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji. He will be the chief guest in our valedictory session. The other guest in the valedictory sessions will be the Honorable Minister, Mr. Bhupendra Jadhav ji. You know him. He is a member of our legal fraternity. He is a well-wisher of ours. The Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, the senior most judge of the Supreme Court. Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjeev Khanna ji, the second senior most judge of the Supreme Court, and the only representative of the bar in the bench who was directly elevated from the bar to the bench of Supreme Court, Honorable Mr. Justice P.S. Narasimha ji. He will be there on the dais in the valedictory session. they will address, and that apart, the Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of England and Wales, he will be there, and Mr. Peter Maynard, the President of the Commonwealth Lawyers Association, that is consisting of about 56 countries, Commonwealth countries of the country. He is the leader. He will also be there in the validity session. Friends, this apart, for the first time, the Bar Council of India has introduced one Vidhi Ratna Award for the legal legendaries of the country. This time we are going to give this award to 5 legal legendaries, 3 alive, Sri K. Parasaran, Sri Falias Nariman, Sri K. K. Venugopal ji. They will be getting Vidhi Ratna Award 2023 with the by the hands of Hon'ble the Union Home Minister. Posthumously, we are going to give this award to late Sri Ram Jethmalani ji and late Sri Soli Swarab ji. So this is a very big and mega event. All the lawyers, I am requesting you, you should join this virtually on the YouTube channel of the Bar Council of India. And all the sessions, including the inaugural, the Honorable Prime Minister will be addressing the lawyers of the country, the law students of the country. Honorable the Chief Justice of India will be addressing the lawyers and law students of the country. The other guests on the dais, they will be addressing you. Therefore, you should join inaugural, valedictory, and all the technical sessions that will be alive on the YouTube channel of the Bar Council of India. And you will be benefited. This is a mega event. You should not miss this opportunity. And I hope, I trust, I believe that each and every lawyer of the country, particularly young lawyers and the law students, they will join this on the YouTube channel of the Bar Council of India and they will be benefited. Thank you all.